Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fund your Wise account and put some money inside of it. So basically there is multiple ways to do so, and I will be showing you all of these ways in this video. So first of all, what you need to do is just basically open your Wise account on your phone mobile or your on your browser on your PC. For me, for example, I will open it on my PC just like so. And as you can see guys, for those who doesn't have an account already, you can create it by registering in here. If you have it already, you can just log in. So for the register way, you can just put your email and then next phone number, they will send your code, and after that you put your password. Or you can just skip it by using one of these options, which is Google or Gmail account or Facebook account or Apple account. Now after you log in, a page like that will be showed up for you. So how you can actually send money to your Wise account. First of all, you will need a card, which is by getting started. Here you click on get started, you fill information about you, you choose whether account you want it to be, and you will prove that later after they ask you for sending them your picture and I think an ID card. So after you finish with these steps, you will have a card. So now you have a card that you can receive money on it. How you can send money on it? You can just click on home, receive money, and you can receive money using your bank account, or you can send money using your PayPal account, or what else you can do is just go to Binance P2P, and if you have some USDT, you can sell USDT for example euro or whatever currency you want. So let's for example pick euro, and let's sell USDT for it, and here we go to payment and we choose Wise. So as you can see here, I can choose whatever price I want, and I sell my euros or my USDT for euro, and I will after that receive the euro in my account. And that's how you can actually fund your account on Wise. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.